Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. I have come again another keyboard of gamers from Zebronics. This Zebronics Nitro Pro mechanical keyboard, and I'm going to test it out and show all its features, and I will tell you whether you have to buy this or not. So let's get started. But if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to channel and click that bell icon so you never miss any updates from our videos. So guys, here's our box. This is the mechanical keyboard, are known for that satisfying clicky sound and super fast response time. And this Zebronics keyboard claims to deliver both with Automu red switches. First unbox it. Yes, we have opened the box and it's come with very nice packaging. As you can see, it's wrapped with a plastic, and wow guys, it's come with an extra protective layer of this plastic. It's really heavy. Here we got this Type-C cable to connect this keyboard to your PC or laptop, and here we get this QR code for user manual. And that's it. Now talking about the design, just look at that, the keyboard guys. The keyboard has a premium matte finish and you can instantly feel the solid mechanical build. Wow. And this is a fully sized keyboard, so you have got your number pad as well. And now talking about this cable, it's a braided one which adds durability. You have to connect this keyboard via this cable only. And those Automi red switches, oh man, these are linear switches guys. That means smooth key press with any tactile bump or click noise like blue switches. You can listen this guys. And one thing I really appreciate this keyboard, the pad of the keyboard is very heavy that I'm typing consistently, so the keyboard isn't shaking, so that's a very best feature. And this keyboard has 98 keys with 11 integrated multimedia keys. And yes, it's a heavy duty keyboard guys, and all keys are lock function. Windows keys has disable and enable function also, and the best part, it has advanced Windows software. Yes, we can customize this keyboard via using the software, so you can officially go to the Zebronics website and you can download the software also. And on the back here we get to see it comes with two-step retractable stand. Amazing guys, the stand quality also very solid. Here you can see. All right, now you have to insert this Type-C cable. This Type-C as well as this USB are the gold plated. You have to insert this Type-C into this Type-C port. Now the other end to your laptop or PC. Yes, it is connected now. And wow guys, look at these RGB glow. Wow, you get the multicolor LED backlight with different lighting effects and brightness levels. Yes, this keyboard comes with 19 LED modes plus 1 LED off mode, and with 5 levels of brightness plus 1 LED off mode. And guys, if you want to off this lightning, you have to click on FN plus home button, so it will off. If you want to on back, just click again FN plus home. Now the LED lights will on. And if you want to change the LED effects, you have to click on FN plus this insert button. This LED lights on breathing mode. And guys, and you can also change the speed. If you want to make slow, then you can press this minus button. If you want the speed slow, you can tap on this, and here you can see guys, amazing. You can keep on any LED mode by your choice, and you can also customize the speed and LED effects also. Amazing, right? And guys, you can also lock all the keys by clicking this lock button. And now you can listen the sound of these keys. Wow, amazing and very tactile keys. And this is the tool to remove the keys. Yes, if you want to remove any key by using this small tool, you can remove it. All right, it's time to test this keyboard. and also typing feels very solid. Yes, very smooth buttery keys, no lag guys, perfect for long typing sessions. Amazing. So guys, this keyboard is very excellent. About it, pros and cons: excellent build quality for the price, smooth and silent, automy red switches. Yes, it's very beautiful RGB lighting with multiple modes and effects, braided durable cable, great for both typing and gaming. And about it, cons: if you are someone who want to purchase the keyboard and your budget is under 2500 or so, you can purchase this. Yes, this keyboard comes around 2500. You can go and check it out online. And the best part, it has software customization also. Yes, very dedicated soft customization you can see. So overall, this Zebronics Nitro Pro mechanical keyboard is a fantastic deal for anyone looking to switch to mechanical keyboard without spending too much. It looks great, performs great, and feels absolutely premium in hand. If you are a gamer or even a fast typist, this one's definitely worth checking out. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe to TechnoWaves and share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechnoWaves and hit that bell icon so you never miss any updates. Thanks for watching.